morning, class 3. Today we are going to revise chapter number 4. So what we'll do is we'll go through the exercises and question answers once more. Okay. I'll be sharing the screen with you. You can be ready with your books. Most of you have written the answers and so while we are discussing, please do not be in a hurry to write, and those who have not written can write it after the video. I'll be sharing the answers with you. Okay. So chapter number 4 was about Windows operating system. So Windows is a popular operating system developed by Microsoft. Now, when we log on, the first screen that we see is the desktop. On the desktop, we see small pictures. They are called icons. So these are the icons on the desktop, and this screen is called the desktop. Okay. I know that start button is located at the bottom left corner of the desktop. So over here in the corner we have the start button. Please follow my mouse pointer, and over here in the corner we have start button. This is called the taskbar. Okay, at the bottom of the screen what you see is the taskbar. Taskbar is the long bar located at the bottom of the desktop. And what do we have is active applications. Active means I am working on this, so this is the active application. We have some icons for launching the applications. Let's say I have to start Google Chrome. So this is not the window which is open, this is the launcher. Okay. Then we have the start button in the leftmost corner and the date and time and some other notification icons and things on the right hand side. Okay, this is the taskbar. So let's start with the exercises. Question number A. Windows 7 was developed by, the correct answer would be Microsoft. The bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar. The small picture present on the desktop, the small pictures present on the desktop are called icons. Dash button is present at the bottom left corner of the desktop, start button. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash is the first screen that appears after switching on the computer, that is the desktop screen. Windows is the most popular. What? Windows is an operating system and it is the most popular operating system. Date and time are present on the right corner of the taskbar. Okay. Dash menu lists all the installed programs in the computer. The start menu lists all the installed programs on a computer. Okay. Next is true and false. Windows is an application system software. Is it true or false? False. Windows is an system software. Okay. Next is the start button is present on the top left corner of the desktop. False. It is present at the bottom left corner of the desktop. Windows 7 is a GUI based software. True. GUI is graphical user interface. So graphical user interface का क्या मतलब है कि आपको इस पर हर चीज के लिए टाइप नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, आप क्लिक करते हो और खुल जाता है, आप क्लिक करते हो और खुल जाता है ना। आप मेन्यू सिलेक्ट करना है, विंडोज का कुछ भी सिलेक्ट करना है तो आप उसको जस्ट आप क्लिक करते हो, आपका नेक्स्ट पे चल जाता है, प्लस करते हो जूम हो जाता है, माइनस करते हो, तो इसमें आपको कमांड्स नहीं देनी पड़ रही हैं, लिख के नहीं करना पड़ रहा है। दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस। द स्मॉल arrow present on the desktop is called the mouse pointer. So this is the mouse pointer, if you see, right? Now my mouse pointer is over or next to the mouse pointer, right? Do you see that pointer moving? Correct. So this is true. What is Windows 7? The answer is Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. Okay, I'll give you the answers, children. Don't be in a hurry. What does a start button contain? What does a start button contain? It contains the start menu. So when we click on the start button, the start menu will appear. What does a taskbar show? The taskbar shows आप लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट होगे राइट तक जाओगे, ठीक है। क्या है स्टार्ट बटन ऑन द लेफ्ट? The programs that we open are seen in the taskbar and the date and time on the right hand side corner. Okay. What is the use of mouse pointer? Mouse pointer is used to point. Point का मतलब किसी चीज पे जाके पॉइंट करना। क्लिक, क्लिक का मतलब है ये मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है ना, क्लिक करा तो सिलेक्ट हुआ। एंड देन डबल क्लिक, ओके, डबल क्लिक से फाइल्स ओपन होती हैं। So these are the various functions of a mouse pointer. Now next is your application base. Suman wants to open MS Paint. How should she do it? Help her open it. You will write the steps. Go to the start button to open the start menu. Click on all programs. Click on accessories and now click on Paint. The Paint application will open. So this finishes your chapter number 4 revision. Okay, we have already done UT2, that is based on chapter number 3 and 4, and also we have done MT1, that is based on chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you will revise UT2 also and chapter MT1 also. Okay, and be ready for a quiz whenever we meet next. Okay, so as of now we'll continue this class over WhatsApp. Yeah? Thank you so much.